Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And it is our travel day home, which is why I'm so sad. We are at the food court over in Music, getting some breakfast. Our flight's not until 3, it's 11, so we have to check out. And we did Disney Springs last night, so we don't need to go again. So I think we're gonna eat and head to the airport really early, shop, because there's a Disney store there and there's a Universal store there. And I have lounge access, so maybe we'll find a lounge in the airport and see what that's all about. But yeah, that's what this vlog is gonna be about. I hope you enjoy. Let's hear all about it. Plant-based chocolate cupcake. Maybe pumpkin cheesecake. I don't see them though. There's the All-Star Music cupcake and the regular cupcake. I ended up getting a chocolate muffin. We'll see how it is. It doesn't look the same as last time I was here, but hopefully it's good. And then Kat got a Alfredo.
Yeah, it came with the breadstick, but that disappeared somehow.
Would you get it again?
Yeah.
So we're gonna eat and then head to the airport. Alright, we made it. It's 12:27. We weighed our bags. Mine's like 2/10 off, but it works. And then Kat's was 8/10 over, but she took out her candy. And they do have this, so you can try and see if it fits.
And they have the scale over there.
And they do have a scale, which I took a picture. I'll show you. Where you can measure it, because that's like the unloading sound. Yeah. Reshuffling. Oh, look at this line.
I know.
The airport is very, very busy. It's a Sunday midday, but my bag was exactly 50. Kitty's was good, so yeah, so far so good. And we measured this, so it should be a personal item. So I should be good. Plane. We were at the lounge and we were trying to decide what time we should come, and we came.
It wasn't delayed. No, just for like half an hour.
Yeah.
Enough time for us to enjoy the lounge.
Yeah, we enjoyed the lounge. We ate. I couldn't show you what it was. There were so many people.
And now we're doing a pin opening.
The lounge was awesome though. There was like free Cokes and Sprites and drinks. Drinks and food because I didn't get to eat, so that was nice.
That's the key to us not being hangry when we get to our destinations,
Yeah.
I think.
And there was
Eating
bathrooms and showers. So, yeah.
Oh, my shower, the one in my room, it had like stuff in it.
Oh, did it?
Did yours not?
Oh, I did one.
Oh, okay.
And then you're supposed to have the one that had the shower.
Huh?
That's why you're probably cleaning it. The other one didn't have a shower at all.
Oh, no?
No, it was just a toilet. But the service?
Very nice.
Oh,
I got Coco.
Yay, Coco.
That's my other one.
And I'll show you the little trays right here for Frontier.
Here, show them the trays. I'm having trouble with it.
Oh. Funny.
There we go. Cool one. Very nice.
So we'll be here for 5 hours. Alright, we're off the plane. We're in a new terminal, Terminal 3. Very nice. Our airport's very nice. How cute is this? Very cute. Yeah, that's good. Alright, we're home. And it's good weather.
It's great weather.
We're wearing hoodies and we're not
Dying.
horrible.
That's
Yeah.
true. I didn't realize that.
Yeah. Overall Frontier, fine?
Yeah. My favorite thing about this trip was that your 2 jackets did come in clutch.
They did. It was freezing.
It was freezing on Frontier.
Yeah, so I had this all the way up and then I had my jacket like covering me.
Yeah, I should have had like my blanket out.
Yeah.
Because,
Yeah. Everything was smooth.
it was, yeah.
When there was a delay, they texted, emailed. The lounge was cool. We got
It was
free
very
food. The flight was fine.
Yeah, easy.
The trays are tiny.
Chairs are not the most comfortable, but
And then they
It
didn't
doesn't
wake it
show.
up. Like they put the cart next to me for a good time. So like they kept bumping into me, giving people drinks. But yeah, we're here. Would I recommend Frontier for a short trip?
short trip, yes. Long trip, it was a little much. Oh, sorry.
Her mom's calling.
Our ride's here.
I'm just gonna leave it here. I hope you enjoyed our whole trip with us. If you want to see other videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time.